Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. First we are using the color of black. Now we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for dog. Kids, now we draw E. And the next one is F. Now we draw the alphabet of G. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Now we draw J. J for jackfruit. Now we draw K. K for kite. And the next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now we draw O. The alphabet of O. O for orange, O for octopus. The next one is P. Now we draw P. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. S for snake. Now we draw T. The next one is U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for vanilla. W for watch. The next one is X. X for Xmas tree. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.